How do you feel? Tell me how you feel about having that talk, baby. You know the one about us bringing in some helping hands. I truly believe that we can make it work, yeah. We can make it work, baby. It's clear to see all this talent that I've secured the longest back. That means all our kids, you know, ain't nothing that they can't have. We both know that we got more than enough to share. So I was thinking that we could get a girlfriend. We could get a girlfriend. Another set of helping hands. Another set of helping hands. We can make it work, yeah, baby. I think we can make it work.
Wanna know how I feel? I'm in my feelings. Here speak about we do speak French now. I overthink to cover up for the fact that you don't think it all. I've cracked it, I'm not enough. Like, sweetie daddy keeps 2 women cause he tough. I won't have to explain it to my kids, baby. I don't want divided devotion. Something about a nigga who keeps 1 woman cause he focused. Talk about you need a helping hand, like I'm looking, like we wasn't doing good. I'm no fool, these are chronicles of a broken. Like we wasn't doing good, we was doing good.
How do you feel?
How do you feel?
Tell me how you feel about having that talk, baby. You know the one about us bringing in some helping hands. I truly believe that we can make it work, yeah. So I was thinking that we could get a girlfriend, yeah. We could get a girlfriend. Another set of helping hands. Another set of helping hands. We can make it work, yeah. We could get a girlfriend, yeah. We could get a girlfriend. Another set of helping hands. Another set of helping hands. We can make it work, yeah.